Today, we will discuss the F0 error code in DC inverter air conditioners. When the F0 error code appears on the display, how should you interpret it? What does it mean, and what is its solution? How can you tackle this issue? Let's provide you with a complete demonstration. So, let's start the video. So as you can see, I have turned on the unit, and it is running at 16 degrees. As soon as the error appears, I will explain why this error occurs and what the possible reasons behind it are. The F0 error has appeared on the unit's display. Whenever the F0 error occurs, the unit will continue to operate, but the cooling will stop. I will explain in detail why this happens and the reasons behind it. This is an issue related to the outdoor unit, so let's move to the outdoor unit and see why this error code appears. Now we have moved to the outdoor unit. Look here. When the outdoor fan motor stops working for any reason, the F0 error code will appear on the display. If the fan motor gets jammed, the same error will occur. Similarly, if the supply from the PCB to the fan motor doesn't reach it, the error will also appear. There can be 2 to 3 reasons for the supply not reaching the motor, and I'll explain those to you as well. First, let me show you the main reason. Look at this connector here. These are the wires for the sensors. On the backside, you can see 3 wires, blue, red, and yellow. If any of these wires are broken or shorted, the F0 error will appear. Additionally, if this connector becomes loose for any reason, you'll also see the F0 error. Another possible reason is if the IPM, Intelligent Power Module, is not providing the necessary electric supply, the error will appear. Now I'll open the PCB and show you the IPM, and we'll analyze the possible causes. Now, I have removed the PCB from the outdoor unit, and I'll show you where the IPM is located. If the IPM is faulty, you will see the F0 error. Look here, this is the heatsink, and the IPM is located underneath it. Let me remove the heatsink to show you the IPM. Now, as you can see, I have removed the heatsink. This is the IPM, which operates the outdoor fan motor. Not all models have DC fan motors. Some models also use AC fan motors, which have a different system. This is the connector where the U, V, and W wires are installed. If this IPM is faulty, the F0 error will appear on the unit's display. To resolve this, you can either repair or replace the IPM. Once it is fixed, the F0 error will disappear from the display, and the unit will return to its working condition. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.